I want to show you how to actually use this skin tag or mole remover pen right from the comfort of your own home. It can be a little bit intimidating at first. It's very simple to use, but at the same time, because of what it's doing, it can be a little bit intimidating. So I actually want to show you, I have used it on a spot already. So I have kind of in my armpits, I have a mole on one side, but then I had a skin tag on the other, and they were kind of in the exact same spots. So I started first on the skin tag. Okay, it was right under here. I honestly don't even remember where it was because it's gone. There's not even a mark, there's not a scar or anything. It totally got rid of it altogether. And then on this side here, oh, here we go. So here's the mole. Okay, so there's the mole. So the skin tag was around the same area on the other side, but it's gone altogether. Okay, so I have treated this mole a couple times, and it is much smaller. It was a lot larger, and because of a couple treatments I've done, it's much smaller. But because it's an actual mole and not skin tag, it's taking a little bit longer to do. So all you do to use this is you make sure that it's charged. Okay, you can before we turn it on, you're just going to unscrew the tip here, and then you're going to get one of the needles out. You can see here so this is the tip end. You don't want to break that, so I always kind of punch it through on the other end to open it. It's easiest just to punch them through the back, kind of like a piece of gum. They'll just pop right out. Okay, so I don't touch anything on the end. I want to keep that clean and sanitary. Okay, so then, and you're going to thread the needle through it. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. See, we put this all the way in. Okay, so we've put it all the way in, and then you're going to screw it back on. Okay, and now your needle is inserted. So as I said, it's very sharp, very fine tip. It can seem a little bit intimidating. Okay, so then we're going to turn it on just with a long hold of the power button. Okay, we see we have a battery at full charge, so that's great. The one represents the level it's on. They're called gears. I just refer to them as the levels of intensity of what you're doing. So the larger the area that you're treating, maybe the higher the level you're going to need to really be effective. For my skin tag, I kept it on like level 1, 2. For the mole, I've gone up to maybe a level 3 on it. So what it actually does is it actually will burn, and it'll kind of smoke a little bit, and then you let it sit and you let it to scab over the burn that has been placed on it. And then as that scab falls off, the skin tag falls off, or more of the mole falls off. So that's why with a couple treatments, I've been able to reduce the size of the mole, but I haven't completely gotten rid of it yet. So I'm going to do another treatment on the mole, just to show you what it looks like and to show you that it's totally normal, that's what it does. Okay, so what you can do is you can adjust with the plus or the minus. You adjust the gears just with the plus or the minus. So let's start on just the level 2 there, and the out button is what you're going to push and hold to actually do the treatment. So I'm just going to turn this down like so. Okay, so you just take this is kind of an awkward spot for me to do it, obviously. So I just take the pin, the end of the needle, and I just poke it in different areas around the mole, and I just hold the out button just for like a second or two in each area. I just poke it in and just hold it and then let go. So it is a little bit of a pinching feel. So you'll know that it's working because it will be a little bit of a pinch feel. And the longer you hold it, if you hold it a little bit longer, that's when you'll start to see a little bit of maybe the smoke. Okay, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it from there. I can maybe try to like zoom in, but I can smell it already. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that there. So I wouldn't say that it's a painless process at all. Like I wouldn't say that it's completely painless altogether. You can feel it. You can feel a pinch, you kind of feel a little bit of a burn, but then you just let go. You just do little spurts here and there. And then you leave it, and you let it scab over. And again, as that scab falls off, the area that you're treating will get smaller and smaller and smaller until like my skin tag is completely gone and there's no scar. So again, the mole was a lot larger to begin with. If you have a really big one, it's going to take multiple treatments and whatnot. So it might take a little bit of time, but overall, this is a really easy way, I would say, to be able to get rid of those blemishes that might be in spots where they rub. Like this one, you know, it rubs it, as my arms move, it kind of rubs on the edges of shirts. So they can become irritated and they can become really sore. So if there's an area that you'd really like to treat just for aesthetic purposes or just for practical daily living, this is a really good option for you to be able to do it under your own supervision, under your own control, and just in the comfort of your home. So I hope this was helpful for you.